Hello, everybody. Today, Mr. Chicken is eating chicken noodle soup. Squinky noodle soup. And he's gonna throw up at the end. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Come on. Okay, we got one. Eat it. Let's see. Second. It's hard to get. See it? Now we're gonna feed him by hand. He likes eating this way. It's like stuffing a turkey, like with stuffing. Oh yeah. Leave a comment below if you think that's true. Don't leave a comment if you think it's false. And I'm shoving every single piece in his mouth. He likes it. And his mouth's getting bigger and bigger. He's eating too much. So let's give him 80 gallons of it. That'd be awesome. There was such thing as that. 80 gallon chicken. Come on, chicken, eat. Almost done. Okay, I need to throw up. Okay, might just have to scoop it out. Watch it. Okay, that's the movie for the chicken. He threw up.